It's 7:25 in the morning, and I'm up, so I'm taking a video of our hotel, Pueblo Bonito, Los Cabos, Blanco. We're on the 5th floor, number 527. A little cute balcony. But there's a lot of bugs in the morning, or actually at night. And so this is our room. We got like an awesome little couch with a little kitchen, a TV, and then the bedroom in the back. And it's just a wonderful morning. It's just awesome. I love being able to see the sunrise here. It's beautiful. Look at our pool down there. Look at that pool. This is the smaller of the two. The other pool is even nicer. We spent all day on the other side. You can see a little bit of the rose. Anyways, that's our hotel. Gorgeous.